You're probably sitting there thinking, how the heck did I end up here? Well, I'm about to walk away with $1,000 just for drilling this hole.
Nuh-uh. Here's how we can make double that from home. Go to whop.com and create a free account. Next, you're going to build a community with these steps. Pick any niche and look it up in their search bar. If high-rated groups come up, it means you have a winning business idea. Go through WOP's free course to build out your group in a day. Last thing to do is marketing. For this, go to the marketing page and add affiliates. Now the website's users will market your course for you while you keep 90% of the profits. This guy here makes $30K a month using this exact method. So stop watching this reel and go make some money.